This is a guide on how you can delete all your lenses on Snapchat. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step is opening Snapchat. After that, you have to click on your profile icon on the top left section of your screen. After that, you will be transferred on this page, and then you have to click on the settings icon on the top right section of your screen. After that, on this page, you have to scroll down and you have to look for the privacy control category, and under this category you will see the option that says lenses. As you can see, this one. Okay, you have to click on lenses. So the first one is the lenses that are downloaded and they are stored on your device. Okay, so by clicking on this you will be able to delete them, the ones you have downloaded on your device. Okay, so you can just click on clear, and yes, it says local data cleared. And the second one is cloud storage, which is basically the online storage. So if you click on this, you will see this option. For some lenses, data that you provide may be stored on Snap servers. Servers is basically cloud storage or online storage in simpler words. This can be things like preferences and content you upload to a lens. This setting will clear the relevant lenses data from Snap's server. So if you want to delete this, you can click on clear. And that's it. It says cloud storage cleared. And that's it. That's how you delete lenses on Snapchat.